Enjoy faster, even cooking for all your family favorites with the advanced features of the Frigidaire wall oven. Here are some tips to get you started. To begin, start by touching Menu Options and scrolling to your desired setting. Under Menu Options, you will find settings for your oven light, clock, general settings, and more. To turn your oven light on and off, scroll to Oven Light and touch the switch icon or touch the light icon on the main display. To set your clock, scroll to Clock, touch Set Clock, and use the graph to set the time. Save your setting and close the menu. Touch General Settings to change things like temperature unit, volume, screen brightness, and language preferences. For more information on general display settings, refer to your use and care manual. The time of day will show on your display unless you're using your timer or setting your oven controls for the temperature. Timer on/off sets or cancels the minute timer and sets the continuous bake function. Cook time allows you to enter the length of baking time desired. Note, the oven will turn off automatically when cook time expires. The oven also has an energy-saving factory preset that will turn it off if the oven is left on for more than 12 hours. This can be overridden if you wish to bake continuously. Touch Menu Options and scroll to Energy Saving mode. Follow the information on the display to override this setting if necessary. When On/Off is selected, the display opens to the Quick Start screen. From the Quick Start screen, you can immediately start the bake function by pressing Start. You can adjust the temperature by pressing plus or minus. To select other cooking options, touch Oven Modes and scroll to the desired option. To change the temperature from default, use the number keys and press Start. Use cook time and number keys to set the amount of time needed for most oven functions. When the cook time ends, Off will appear in the display window and you will hear a tone. The oven turns off automatically when cook time ends. The Off message and an OK button will display until OK is touched. Now that you've had the chance to get to know your oven display and settings, you can start creating delicious meals for your family. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit www.frigidaire.com.